2000 Jeep Wrangler SE, four-wheel drive, manual transmission. Custom front bumper with winch. Blacked out aluminum alloy wheels with good tires. Side step running boards. Tinted soft top windows. Tow hitch trailer package. I was looking for a nice weekend Jeep to play around with. New soft tops. Four-seater. Large Jensen touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, hands-free Bluetooth. Just over 192,000 miles. Come on and see us at UCars.